What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this, Harley? Come here. Look at this.
Hey, bro.
That's some whack-ass wheel fitment, bro. Look at that. That's gotta be like at least a 4-inch gap right there.
Ladies, is 4 inches enough?
Okay, well in this case, the smaller the better.
Yeah.
So today, we are finally gonna be slamming the S14. If you guys haven't watched the latest vlog, go check it out. We put it on some new wheels, look at that. 326 Yellow King spokes, in case you're wondering. And today, me and Harley are gonna slam it on these fresh new 326 coilovers that I picked up for $1,000. These retail for like $2,300 to $2,500, and I got them for $1,000. And look at that. They look almost brand spanking new. So today, Harley's gonna do his first coilover to prepare him for his future project car. Just saying, just saying. Okay, first thing, you wanna know what we need to do?
Oh, what are we doing?
Believe it or not, as it sits right now, it's too low to jack up. So we gotta take off the rear bumper and the side skirt.
It's hella funny because before he started shooting, he just put the rear bumper.
You're right, I'm kinda stupid. All right, rear bumper's off and the side skirt's off. So next we have to jack up the car. On this car, it's pretty easy. There's literally like pinch welds running all throughout the side of the car. So just put it in the middle so we can get the front and the back. Yeah, work it, Harley. Bro, it's so much brighter in here now. Holy shit.
And with the LEDs.
Yeah.
And with the freshly painted walls.
I know. Pretty fire, look at that. We still gotta finish that, so chill. Don't gas yet. But look, it's so much brighter and all we have is one light bar up there. So imagine once we put a bunch up here. It's gonna be crazy. Okay, here we go. Slowly. Slowly, that was slowly. Okay, we got one side down, time to do the other side. All right, we got the S14 hovering in the air. So now we can finally take off the wheels. All right, Harley. Get to work.
Damn, bro, I didn't know it was fucking free labor, bro. Shit.
Boys, the wheels are now off of the car. Now I know you guys are probably wondering, Derek, why don't you just lower it on the coils it's on right now? Well, when I bought the car, they've been sitting on these Godspeed coilovers right here, and these are $700 coilovers. They're not exactly the best, but they're not exactly like really cheap racelands. They're fine in terms of like riding and everything, but when you slam your car, you want really stiff coils so that you don't end up bottoming out, clapping your fenders, clapping your quarter panels. And these 326 coils are 20K spring rates up front and 10K spring rates in the rears, whereas these are, I think, like 8 and 6, so these are a lot softer. I tried slamming it before, it did not work, and if you guys look closely, it rubbed through my wiring harness right there, so that's why it's all taped up. But with the 326 coils, we should be able to save that problem, so let's go ahead and remove these coils. This should be easy. It's just 2 bolts right here and 3 bolts up top. And does this have brake lines connected? No, it does not, so that makes it a lot easier. So let's just take off that nut and that nut. Okay, 19 right there. You gotta hold one side of the bolt while you turn that one. So I'd recommend using the impact on the nut side and then putting the wrench on the bolt side. And watch your fingers, it's gonna wanna clap onto that. And just like that, bolt came right off. Easy? Okay, there you go. Here, I'm gonna tell you a trick. So it's gonna take you forever to pull that shit out.
Yeah.
Because all this load is now pushing down on the bolt. So if you grab the jack and jack up the hub just a little bit, you can pull it out. All right, boys, both the bolts are out. Shout out to Harley. Now it's time to take out the bolts up top. Those 3 right there. And I'm pretty sure those are 14s. So I'll grab some 14s. That's tightening, that's tightening. Damn, that shit was on there. There you go. Oh.
Buffman Derek.
All right, boys. Out with the Godspeed coils. Let's compare these to the 326 real quick. 326? Godspeed. Bro, the owner who had this before me, look how slammed they were.
Damn.
That's like, you think that's 4 inches right there?
Okay, I don't know about 4.
How many inches do you think that is?
Just like 2.
You think I'm gonna be slammed once I put that in?
Yeah, probably. I mean, you had fucking... Yeah, probably.
Okay, bet. All right, time to slap that in. You put it in the same exact way you took it out, just 3 bolts up top and 2 on the bottom. Hey, so far that's pretty easy, right?
Yeah.
Exactly. Harley has never done this, and look. Wait, hang on. You gotta take off those nuts first.
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah, Harley has never done this, and it's going by pretty smooth. So, if you guys want to install coils, just watch this video, and you got this. I believe in you.
Yeah, Derek loves having his newbie friend fucking practice on his cars.
You gotta learn somehow.
Yeah. For my project that's coming.
Yes, sir. Okay, and a common mistake I see, your camber plates, please point them in horizontally. Sometimes I see photos, people point them like this and shit. That's not how you add camber, bro. Camber is sideways. So make sure camber plates look like that.
Our janky ass hood lever we added in.
Oh, so when I burned through the harness, I burned through the hood latch cable because the cable actually runs in the fender well as well, which is stupid. So we relocated it into the engine bay. So now we won't have to worry about rubbing on that.
Oh yeah, also guys, if your car's ever leaking from the inside, like you get in and there's a puddle, you have drainage vents right here, and if it gets filled with leaves or anything, like Derek's is, pretty good chance that's what it is.
Tips from a windshield guy. All right, top hats are all mounted up. Now it's time to put those 2 bolts that we took out back on. The coils are slightly shorter than the Megan ones or the Godspeed ones, so you use the jack to jack up the hub. You gotta jack up the hub, look.
Yeah.
That's supposed to be up there.
Oh, top.
So that's why we have the jack. Look, easy. See, instead of having to lift it, you can just use the jack. Okay, is it out the hole yet?
A
little more?
Tiny amount. Okay, should be good.
Okay, just like that, we got them on. We're gonna go ahead and torque this down later, but for now, we're good to go. Let's do the other side.
Look at them DSLs.
You're out of pocket, bro. Alright, we got the other side on, but this looks like it's gonna be so fucking low, bro. I wanna put on the wheel just to see. I wanna test fit a wheel. Yeah, let's do it. This is gonna be slammed. I feel like we're gonna have to adjust these struts. Spacer on.
Ooh, Derek got the Pro Master fucking calf size.
What the fuck? Okay, that's actually not as bad as I thought.
You know what that means?
Wait, it's not on. Why isn't it on? Oh no!
What?
Bro, guess what?
We forgot to just tighten the other one?
No. The wheels rub on the coils. Fuck, bro!
What are we gonna do now, Derek?
I swear, every time I work on a car, some shit always goes wrong.
It's just
But,
how cars are.
on another note,
I think it needs to be lower.
what? You want it lower?
I don't know, bro. I can get my whole finger
Keep in
in.
mind, when it goes down, it's
Oh
gonna
yeah,
be
it's gonna have
even lower.
weight. Oh yeah. That'll be damn.
Hey, but this is pretty sexy though.
Yeah. Look at that.
Fuck.
Look at this low pro.
Dude, this is gonna be sick. Before, I could probably stick like my whole fist in the gap.
Yeah, Mr. Fister for sure.
Now it's 3 fingers. That's pretty chillin', bro. But fuck, we have to add spacers? I don't have any spacers.
Where did we put them?
See, I can't run the 10mm spacers because they're slip-ons. So if I put them on and I thread on my lug nuts, it literally goes 1 turn and that's it. I don't think my life is worth that. Is there a way to make this so I clear this? Dude, this ain't it.
I wish we could get an angle in there for you guys.
Oh, we can. Watch this. I did this in the other video.
You got light?
Can you see it? Can you see the wheel?
Yeah. You see that, guys?
Yeah, that's not clearing it. I got spacers the other day, but it's in the red S13, and that's the only car that's not here. God damn it.
Another mistake that me and Derek make. Wait. Does that mean we have to fucking take off the coils to move this car so we can get the FRS in?
Oh my god. I'm not putting back the old coils, bro. The FRS is just gonna stay outside.
Damn.
I'm not doing that. Hold up.
It's hella funny because he's had his cars out in this other guy's lawn for like a week now. Down bad.
But there's no way I'm gonna be able to drive like this, so right after this, your boy's gonna Amazon Prime some spacers. Okay, come on, baby. Clear. I'm gonna have back problems at the age of 21. Dude, that still won't clear it? What the fuck? How big of a spacer do I need? Dude, that still won't clear it. Alright, boys, I guess I won't be able to show you guys what the wheels look like on the car today, but we can still install the rear coil, so
yeah,
let's just do that. It's like a surprise, bro.
Yeah.
Because I can't find out what this is gonna look like until I get the spacers.
And fun fact, I stripped the bolt.
Here, let's show them. Let's show them. Luckily, we caught it before it got even worse. Look at that.
Beautiful.
It almost turned all the way around, but we caught it early, so we're chilling. All right, boys, time to start on the rears. So there's gonna be 2 bolts in the cabin, and then it looks like the only other bolt is down here. But it's like,
that's a tick boy.
it's weird. So is it just this bolt? You take it out and that pops out? Or are we gonna need like a ball joint separator? Fuck it, we'll find out.
Yeah, fuck if I know. I'm only a glass guy.
Let's take this bolt out first.
Okay.
Oh, look at that concentration.
Holy shit, this thing is tight. Damn. Is the impact stronger than me?
We'll find out. Oh my god.
Holy fuck. My veins are about to start popping.
You want to use the breaker bar? If it can fit down there?
It won't fit down there.
Let's not strip this one. Oh, he did it. He did it. Yes, sir.
It's crazy how a big piece of metal can
Help so much.
So much stronger.
It's science. It's called leverage. Look at that. So much easier.
I still feel like I'm gonna die.
Under this car?
Yeah.
Look, guys, we have jack stands. Don't worry. Safety first. Okay. Let's take out the 2 bolts up top first, and then we can figure that out.
And because we never added the chrome tints, we can still see through. Oh yeah. You look like you're inside of a womb. Get Out Part 2? There's no play.
There's no play? Oh, is there?
No.
How the fuck do you take it out? Maybe we just need a hammer?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, bro, this is what he brought in when we were in the other one. I was just gonna...
My man brought out fucking Thor's hammer, bro.
Okay, this is all he brought in for us, so let's calm down.
Okay, let's see. Let's start out with light taps, bro, so we don't destroy it.
Should I hit up here or down here?
I think down there. Is it budging? Nothing? I feel kind of retarded. So we were smacking on this thing, right? And then I'm like, wait, what if the hub just drops? And then look, ready? Good thing we stopped before we fucking broke this shit. Hey, if you guys want S14 coilovers, look at this. Still nice condition, hit me up.
Yeah, lightly used.
Lightly
just
used.
That's...
Yeah,
all good.
don't worry about that. It's just a sticker. Look at that. Rear coils are now on.
Okay.
All right, we got one more corner, and then we're officially done putting on all 4 coilovers. So let's do this real quick. So I'm getting ready to install the other side, and then this came on the coilovers. What the heck? It was like on there. So what the hell did we put this on?
Who cares?
You right. Fuck it. Time to put this in.
I feel like there's one for each.
Each corner?
Yeah.
Yeah,
but guess what? I didn't ask.
We don't care. On a serious note though, guys, if you know what that is for, please let me know in the comments because I have no idea what they're for. Well, would you look at that? 326 coils are officially all installed, and Harley went ahead and put on that panel for me. So thanks, Harley. All right, now let's test fit the wheels. Hopefully we have no hiccups. There's literally no reason why we should have any hiccups, but
I mean, we only had one. But
yeah, I never doubt cars. Cars be finding problems where there's no problems to have. That's how it is. Dude, that's gonna be slammed. It's gonna be fucking slammed. Oh my god, I might have to roll my fender some more because it might actually hit that.
Thing looks fucking clapped.
Hey bro, my car is feeling too. Bro, it's gonna be too low. I can't even get my jack out.
Just drop it and roll.
Oh my god. I can't get my jack out. It's not even all the way down yet.
Can you even jack it up if it's too low?
Oh my god, it's still going. Bro.
You still got like 2 inches, bro.
What the fuck? I can't even jack it up. Dude,
this is the fucking FRS 2.0 because it's giving me heavy fall off trailer vibes.
look, this is what I call big brain energy. So we can't get that jack out, right? And we only have one jack at the shop, so I was like, dude, I drove the Highlander here. That's the only stock car I have. And boo, we got the emergency jacks, baby. So now we're gonna jack up each corner and put ramps under, and then that should clear enough to take the jack out. It's off. Oh damn, that barely moved. That's how stiff the suspension is. Yup, I like the sound of that. Look at the new height for the S14. Oh yeah. Look at that. Nice 2-finger gap. Definitely should be drivable around Seattle. We got like the worst potholes, worst hills ever. So if I go any lower than this, I might fuck shit up. So I think we should be good right here. 2 fingers?
Yeah, I'd say that's about perfect.
Yes, sir. All right. The only thing left that we need to do is I need to order spacers that aren't slip-on. And then I should be able to mount on the wheels up front and then mount on the kit and show you guys what she looks like. So I'll go ahead and continue this video another day when the spacers come in. Fuck, I wanna see what it looks like so bad right now. All right, boys, I will catch you guys in a few days when I get my spacers in. Harley, you have anything left to say to them?
Yeah. Please like, subscribe, smash the subscribe button. Yeah.
Go ahead and do that. Go ahead and do that. I'll pick it up in a few days. Peace out, guys.